Yeah, welcome to all the GSR fans, Now this is my 2007 Suzuki GSXR 600. This is my baby for the summer. I don't know, I'm just going crazy when I look at this bike. I love my bike, Yeah, so what is happening here today? Just go and pick up my new exhaust. This is a stock exhaust right here. Nice and neat, like the style that Suzuki doing, making the exhaust perfectly short. Look invisible, don't even know that it's there. But not loud enough for my taste. So yeah, went out today and purchased a sweet little baby. Go by the name of M4 Shorty Slip-On. So this is my new exhaust. Yeah, we'll be going on in a bit. So for all my fans, all my Suzuki fans, check it out. Sweet, eh? Okay, so this is part one of my video. I'm going to remove and install my new and sexy H4 exhaust. Shorty, they call it slip-on. So yeah, this is part one. Part two coming up, and I will let you guys hear how this baby sound. Also, this exhaust comes with a removable silencer. So if you look inside this exhaust, this is a silencer, and you can remove this silencer by pulling that one screw right there. So yeah,